in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can blend images in Canva. How you can blend multiple images in Canva. As you can see, we are into Canva and here we have just selected a blank image template and I'm going to elements, and here for example I'm just searching for brick background. Okay, and here you can find some good brick backgrounds, and we are into the photos, and let's select this one, right, and click on triple dot, set image as background, right. You can also select any other as well. Let's select this one. Okay, more we can explore, right, if you have some time. Yes sir, we do have time. Okay, let's replace this with this. Okay, great. Now we are going to duplicate this page, going to select this image, click on edit image, and here I'm going to filters, click on see all, right, and here I'm just going to make this image to classic, right, and click on share, then download, and here I'm just going to download this image, current image. Okay, let's go back to our first image, and here I'm just searching for elements and now stage. Okay, we have some good man images over here. Let's select this one. Okay, over, let's increase its size, right. Let's use this image. Okay, easy removal. So this man is looking handsome. Okay, my dear friend. Okay. Now we are just going to click on uploads, upload the image that we have recently downloaded. Okay, and now I'm just going to bring this image over here. Okay, we are just going to increase its size, click on transparency, okay, and reduce it to this much. Click on share, download, okay, the current page, right, download. Okay, till it's getting downloaded, we have added one more page. Click on upload files, and then we have selected the file that we have downloaded. Now we are going to bring this file over here, right. Click on triple dot, set image as background. We have selected this image, right. Click on edit image. In the tools, we are going to see all, right. Click on adjust, right. Here we are going to increase the contrast, right. We are going to reduce the brightness a little bit, right. And we are going to increase the saturation, right. Full contrast a little bit more, right, and reduce the brightness as per our requirement. So in this manner you can simply blend multiple images in Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.